very, very worrying. The numbers that you're citing, 5 lakh cases a day, 3,000 to 4,000 deaths a day, possibly over the next month. Dr. Ravi, as one of the country's leading virologists, you've been tracking this double mutant. How much of is this double mutant far more virulent? Is it not even responding at times to vaccines, which is why those who've been vaccinated with the first dose, some of those are getting reinfected, Dr. Ravi?
Thanks, Rajdeep, for having me on the show. And let me make a small submission that I am following viral variants from Bangalore, not necessarily the double mutant. Having said that, the double mutant has been identified predominantly in Maharashtra, and now it is also being reported from other states as well. As regards your question on the response to vaccine, let me make it very clear that it takes 2 weeks after 2 doses for any vaccine to protect against any type of virus, be it wild type or mutant. Because the spread is extensive now, many people who have taken single dose vaccine are turning out positive. That is a fact. It is not necessarily mean that this is because they are mutants, they are causing infection in people. Even a wild type at this rate of transmission that is going on in the country will definitely infect. So that is one point I want to make it clear. I also want to make it very clear that there is this myth that if you take a shot today, tomorrow you are protected. And also remember, vaccines guarantee protection against severe disease and death, and certainly not against infection. The degree to which vaccines protect against infection varies between vaccines. Having said that, no vaccine gives 100% protection against infection. Over.
But what is the trend, Dr. Ravi, that you're noticing then as you track these various strains? I mean, are we seeing different strains in different parts of the country now? You said there's a double mutant for sure in Maharashtra, and is it far more contagious than what we saw in the first wave a year ago?
I would love to give you authentic information, but unfortunately, the double mutant in Maharashtra, we do not have authentic data to say it is more transmissible. It looks like, from the way it is taking over the original virus that was circulating before. But to say a mutant is more infectious, there's a lot more data that is required in terms of the number of people who are infected from an index case. You need cluster analysis, you need very good epidemiological data, and you also need some amount of support from cell culture studies where the virus has to be isolated and shown that it is multiplying to high levels in cell culture. Now, I'm afraid both these kind of data are not available for the double mutant. At this point, I believe it is being generated. In many other states, there are other lineages of virus that is taking over.